Part 2 of 15.4, the percent equation. How can I use an equation to determine the percent? Very interesting. 9.5 is what percent of 25? Now, all of those words that I highlighted are going to tell you what part of the equation we are in. So 9.5, and then is an equal sign. And then what percent? We don't know the percent. Of means multiplication, and then 25. Now, typically we write the coefficient in front of the variable, but I'm just showing you that in the words as they're given, or in sentence as it's given, this is exactly what the equation would look like. And it's not a big deal. If you have the variable in front of a coefficient, you want a dot there, and typically, yes, it'd be best to write it as 25p. But we're going to solve for the percent. So I divide both sides by 25. And when I do that, it's already down here. The 25s cross cancel, you leave 1p, and then 9.5 divided by 25 is 0 and 38 hundredths, which is equal to p. But the reason it's important to recognize that this was the what percent is because you're solving an equation with all the numbers in decimal form for a percent. You're going to get a percent in decimal form. So that 0.38 is actually 38%. So 9.5 is 38% of 25. And when you look at this sentence, if you substitute in 38% for what percent, that's what we've done here, it should make sense that this part, 9.5, is a little less than half of 25. So in this case, once again, the is means equal, and the of means multiplication. And I'll save you from writing the whole word out. The percent equation essentially means part is equal to the percent times the whole. So part is equal to percent times the whole. The word what prompts the usage of a variable, something you don't know. So when you say, what's your problem? You're saying there's a variable, and in that variable should go your problem. Okay, solve the equation using the blank of equality. Well, what property? Well, I should have said, you should have said division property of equality. So the division property of equality, forgot the word property. Don't forget that the percent will be a blank when you solve. It's going to be a decimal, right? Because everything is in decimal form. So you must convert it to a percent to answer the question, which is asking for a percent. And that's how we got 38%. Look how good you are. See, with this, you can now figure out what, your score is on a test. Because you'll often get something like, you got 19 out of 20 on a test. So it's like 19 is what percent of 20? Okay, so here we go. Next question. How do I use an equation to find a whole? You don't need an equation to find the whole. Just drive down Yorba Linda Boulevard. Okay, 39 is, I don't know why I highlighted 39, 52% of what number? Yeah, the 39 should not be highlighted because the numbers themselves are not important to this form of the percent equation. So once again, 39 equals is 52% written as a decimal, so that's going to be 0.52, times, right, the of, and then what number, that's the whole. Because percent times the whole is going to equal the part. So in this case, we divide both sides by 52 hundredths. And you're dividing by a number that's less than 1. So this, when we find the quotient here, it should be greater than 39. And it is. You end up getting 75. So you get 75 is equal to W. And do we need a percent sign? Of course not, because this was the percent of the whole. So the whole is just how many questions there were. So when writing an equation, all the numbers have to be in the same form. They've all got to be decimals. In this case, before you write the equation, you must convert the percent. I know that little blue thing is really bothering me too, into a decimal. You know what? I can get rid of it. If you give me $1,000, I'll get rid of it. Okay, fine. I'll do it for free just because I like you all. All right, watch this. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. Look at America. Okay, awesome. Since you're finding the part, you do not include a percent symbol in your answer. Wait, since you're finding the whole, right? Come on, Mr. Plunkett. Go back to school. Brooke Stevens is really interested in writing the summary. And so you can convert the words of into multiplication and is into equals to write an equation. Yay! That was for you, Brooke. I hope you really, really enjoy this. Oh, look at that. That dot's not even in the right spot. You know, if you make it big enough, though. Wait. That's a person. Wait, hold on. Yay! All right, everybody. You're amazing. I hope you had a wonderful time with this. I know I had a great time, and I know Brooke had a great time. So all y'all stay cool. Wait, it is cool outside. Or is it hot? Oh, my computer's dying. I better get out of here now. Bye.